The Indo-Gangetic Plains extends from the Punjab Plain in the west to the Brahmaputra Valley in the east. The northern plain has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. A. The Punjab Plain or western part. The Punjab Plains form the western part of the northern plain. This is formed by the Indus and its tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. A major portion of this plains lies in Pakistan. This area is dominated by the Doab features. Doab is a term used in India and Pakistan for a tongue or a piece of land lying between two rivers. B. The Ganga Plain or the central part. It is the largest part of the northern plain and extends between Ghaggar and Teesta rivers. The Indian states of Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, part of Jharkhand and West Bengal lie in the Ganga Plains. C. The Brahmaputra Plain or the eastern part. It forms the eastern part of the northern plain. This is formed by the river Brahmaputra and its tributaries and lies in Assam. The Indo-Gangetic Plains can be divided into four regions based on the relief features: Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. A. Bhabar. After descending from the mountains, the rivers deposit pebbles in a narrow belt which is known as Bhabar. The width of this belt is about 8 to 16 kilometers and it lies parallel to the Shivaliks. Small rivers and streams flow underground through this region and re-emerge in Terai. B. Terai. The Terai region lies towards the south of the Bhabar belt. In this region, the streams reappear and make a wet, swampy and marshy region. C. Bhangar. Bhangar is the largest part of the northern plain and is composed of the oldest alluvial soil. They lie above the floodplains and look like terraces. The soil of this region is called Kankad and is composed of calcareous deposits. D. Khadar. The Khadar plains are formed by younger alluvium. The soil in this region is renewed every year and thus this region is highly fertile. The Indian Plateau is also known as the Indian Peninsular Plateau as it is surrounded by the sea on three sides. It is made up of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. The southernmost tip of this plateau is known as Kanyakumari. The plateau consists of two broad divisions, namely the Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. A. The Central Highlands. The northern side of the Peninsular Plateau lies to the north of the Narmada River and is known as the Central Highlands. The Vindhyas separate the Central Highlands from the Deccan Plateau in the southern side. Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand mark the eastward extension of this plateau. The plateau further extends eastwards into the Chota Nagpur Plateau. B. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the Narmada River. It is triangular in shape. This plateau covers the majority of southern part of the country. The plateau covers 4,22,000 square kilometers, or in other words, 43% of India's total landmass. It is very big and had different sorts of vegetation, climate, geology and animals. Some of the forests on the plateau are older than even the Himalayan mountains. One of the most remarkable features of the Peninsular Plateau is the presence of black soil formed because of the volcanic activity. The Satpura range make the northern part of the Deccan Plateau and the Mahadev, Kaimur Hills and Maikal range make the eastern part. The slope of the Deccan Plateau is from west to east. In the northeast, it encompasses Meghalaya, North Kachar Hills. Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hills are the main ranges here. On the west of the plateau are the Western Ghats, and in the east are the Eastern Ghats. The Western Ghats are higher than the Eastern Ghats. The average elevation of Western Ghats is 900 to 1600 meters compared to 600 meters in case of Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats run from the Tapi River to Kanyakumari. The Eastern Ghats run from Orissa to the Nilgiri Hills. The Western Ghats include Anaimalai, Palani and Cardamom Hills. The Eastern Ghats stretch from Mahanadi Valley to the Nilgiris in the south. Ugadamandalam or Ooty is a popular hill station that is located in the Nilgiris. Rivers like Godavari and Krishna cut across the Deccan Plateau from this area.